This is the point where we stop the video. I slap the wheels on, I take it to the bike fitter, he adjusts it and transfers all of my measurements from my fit on the light carbon to this bike. Then we'll come back. The stem's gonna get chopped and it's looking really good. I like it. Anyway, we'll be right back after we get the measurements. It's been several days. I apologize. I'm in different clothes. I thought I was going to get this done last Friday. I dropped it off at the fitter. I thought he was going to get it done and I'd have it back by the weekend. Well, it's another week. I just picked it up Saturday. It's snowing outside and I can't even get bar tape because the bike shop is closed. So we'll have to just get it done and weigh it without bar tape, and you'll see what the final thing is when I get bar tape. Alright, so here's where we currently stand. The bike is back from the fitter through time and space, technology, travel. So after my fit, I was hoping this conical like 30 mil headset cover was going to be enough, but he ended up putting 2 more 10 mil spacers on there. So we've got quite a gigantic spacer set, and I do have to cut this down and switch over to a 100 mil stem. He told me originally that I was going to have 110, so I got 110, but 100 I got to go back to 100, cut this down, and then we'll start cabling and we'll start talking about the wheels. Let's go cut this and acquire the 100 mil stem off my trainer bike. Hooray! I do my math right. We're going to do the brake cabling first. To actually have to take the headset and everything off again. Cabled. Now we just need to put the wheels on it. 160 on the front. I just happened to pick this bad boy up off Facebook a while back. It's an 1142, 11 speed CS M8000. And I'm gonna go up. I was originally running a 1140, so this guy got to have that. This is the most efficient way to do things, but it's just how I'm doing them right now. Boom. Another bad thing about this axle, which I didn't realize, is I think it's a T30 that it takes to put the axle in, and I'm not a huge fan because no one has a T30 on their multi-tool, not that I'm aware of. It kind of sucks because I'm either going to have to buy new axles or use my OG Evkins, which are technically lighter than these, but I really wanted to use the ones that I paid for, so that kind of sucks. So it's done. That's it. No rub. So I'm just going to pop the 46 on there. I was going to run a 40, but these are the original ones that that don't have the cutout for the new Ultegra. So I've marked it. I'm going to shave it down, and I've got a 44, a 42, and a 40. I've got to shave the 44 down to the 40 down. So I will be running a 40 up front, maybe a 42. On this bike, but I'm going to put the 46 on now. Don't clamp your frame, Billy! Wow! That's it. Shy of cutting some cables and installing some bar tape, this is how it's going to be. I'll show you the weight, and I'm going to be putting the bottle cages on there and bags and stuff, but I figured that's personal, so let's just do it with and without pedals, and we'll see what it is. Hang tight. 8.455 kilograms or 18.64 pounds. Without bar tape, and I need to clip these. Obviously this isn't going to be that much of a difference with the cables, but that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed the build. I'm going to go ride this bad boy without bar tape. How about them apples? Thanks for watching. If you decided to buy a Carbonda or something in this, let me know how it works out for you. I love the look of it. Personally, I like the look of it better than the light carbon. Nothing wrong with the light carbon. If you like it better, that's definitely an option.